Hi, my name is Cassidy Moore, and this is my Consultation Models Toolkit presentation. What I researched about consultation models is that consultation is a type of support for all people in education. No matter if you're a counselor, a school psychologist, a teacher, a parent, anyone can use consultation. Consultation has been used for many decades in schools. It used to be viewed simply as school psychologists or counselors giving advice to teachers about problems with their students. But the definition of consultation has evolved over the years, and there's many definitions out there. The best definition that I found while I was researching was this one. School consultation is where one professional helps another professional address a problem with a third party. It is also very important to remember that consultation is voluntary, and it's very student-centered, and it's all about trying to find the best solution for the third party or client. This was just a picture I found during my research. I felt it really exemplified what you're working not to have with consultation. This is the reason we do consultation, is so that a teacher will never feel this way. So some characteristics of consultation. Consultation typically involves three parties. The consultant and the client have an indirect relationship. I will repeat this again. Consultation is completely voluntary. Both professionals have to agree to participate, and they can withdraw from the consultation at any time. Consultants and consultees both influence each other equally, and consultants do not have authority over consultees. They are equal and both there to try to find solutions to the problem at hand. They have interchangeable roles and responsibilities. So, this is a really helpful chart that I found in my research as well. The consultant could be anyone in this list. The consultee could be anyone in this middle list. And the client could be anybody in this right-hand list. And those roles are completely interchangeable. That's why those arrows are there, to show that anyone in this can change their role. So I thought that that chart really was very helpful. The typical steps to a consultation process are these ones. The first step is entry, the beginning of a series of interactions and the establishment of trust and respect between the consultation team. The second step is problem identification, and the goal is found for the consultative interactions. The third step is planning, the decisions about how to achieve the goal. The fourth step is implementation, the carrying out of the plan. The fifth step is evaluation, and it's to see if the intervention plan was a success. And then the final step is exit. So it's the end of the consultation relationship dealing with the problem. You don't have to completely cut ties with that person, but it's the end of you guys working together to solve a solution to that problem, because you've already found a solution that was a success for that problem. So some benefits of consultation: it helps give a focused attention of a professional staff member to a student who needs it. Maybe the student has fallen through the cracks or has been forgotten about. This helps give focused attention to that student who may need it worse. Consultation also plays a preventative role. It can help prevent student issues before they become more serious. The best solution comes because multiple people are collaborating to find the best solution for the student. So consultation really truly helps find that best solution that fits for the student. Consultation also helps less students be mislabeled, because there are many people listening and helping in consultation and helping reduce the number of students to be mislabeled. It also helps address students' academic needs based simply on what they need and less on what they have been labeled as in the past. Some challenges of consultation. Many people question what good collaborative consultation looks like in a gen ed classroom. And another challenge is that if someone hasn't heard of consultation in education, they may think of it as counseling and not want to participate. It's important that people understand consultation and how beneficial it can be, especially if you're working with a parent in the consultation process. They maybe have never heard of this before. So it's really important that you talk to them before and let them know that this is not counseling. It's just us working together as a team to find the best possible solution for that third party who's having the problem. So consultation supports collaboration in many ways. Consultation supports it because it helps the people on the consultation team to collaborate with others to find solutions for the students. It also supports collaboration by helping bring people in the school together. After the consultation process ends, the team does exit and ends the consultation relationship. But that doesn't mean that the collaboration that they were doing needs to end. If they were really having good talks, they don't need to worry about the consultation part of that and trying to find a solution to a problem, but they can come together and collaborate on other things in the school. Consultation team meetings are all about discussing what the problem is, what some possible solutions for the problem are, and without good collaboration, there is no good discussion. Collaboration helps better the discussions and find the best solution for the student. Consultation also supports parent collaboration, because if you're trying to find a solution for a student's problem, you will typically collaborate with the parents to find the best solution. Sometimes collaborating with the parents to see if they have seen this issue or have any solutions for it can be helpful in the consultation process. So those are all just a few things that I feel like I learned about consultation. There's some really helpful links on my toolkit that I wrote out. There's some videos too that I found on YouTube of like actual consultation meetings that I found really helpful to see an example of them. Thanks.